welcome to a new video. We've just, by off chance, went to a cemetery and we found this trail. Now I wasn't going to record because I didn't think it was going to be good, so we've walked all the way to end, about 15 miles, and it's been minutes. So I'm going to try and get some recordings on the way back so we can see this trail. What's it called? The Rivelin trail or something near Sheffield. We're knackered, but we've got to walk back, so I'm going to record it. I'm going to stop and show you different little bits, starting with this bit over here that someone's built. You're going to have to walk through it. It's quite cool that someone's built this. It's quite cool that it's still up. Do you like it, Bobby?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, I think it's quite cool myself. Look back at me for the shot. Well, there it goes all the way around, it just stops, but someone spent the time to do all this. Wonder how long it took them. Maybe not. I just keep cracking my head off of it. First part we'll come to is a little pond with two old people feeding the ducks. First of many. First of many. Right, well, now we're getting to the better stuff now. Walked about 5-10 minutes out of where we've just been. Little footbridge there. We start coming down to the waterfall. A little old footbridge there. And we start getting to the smaller waterfall that's up to either side. And we've got this beast. This is a nice little small waterfall here. Let's get down to it. We'll go all the way up there. Zoom in. Comes out of there. So it's quite cool. And we continue on downwards. This is something you get to see a lot of when you're just walking, like just little drops that go into mini kind of ones. But both sides there's always like multiple little stream offs both sides. The bumpy ride that Beth nearly fell over several times. So feet aren't very good. Tell me I'm lying.
Why is there someone swimming in there?
Where? Sure not just not drowned in.
Oh, there's people over there.
I don't know. It actually is. I don't blame him though. Don't blame him. Oh yeah, there's this little one over here. If you want to read that, pause it now and read it. And you got this little beast here, look. It comes off that second one. So you've always got two rivers and swamps and all sorts just rolling off the side of each other. Like I say, I weren't going to film it, but the amount of things we've seen is quite beautiful. And we like our little random explores that we find. We found this completely by accident trying to find something else. And it's been nice. That must be quite deep, you know, but it looks like a mint swimming hole with it red hot.
It looks like wind when it goes underwater.
Bit wetter. I bet it's a sick swimming hole when you're red hot though, to be fair. Dodging camera.
Stop recording him, that's weird. Come on. Just because he looks like an orange when he's underwater. I'll give you the right to record it.
Okay. Only one way to pass, Bobby.
What are you recording?
Go on, get your son over there.
It's so full of it.
Oh, it wobbled.
Go from here.
You have? Oh. These have all got bolts in them, look. Here we go. Step on the edge of that one and jump.
Don't play on there.
There we go, there we go. Got it? Yeah. Right. It's quite nice, this. Looks like a... You nearly, didn't you? I bet you come to this absolute amazing sight. So this is beautiful. I want to get a good shot. Let's see if I can get you a good shot. Get out. She's in safety. So we'll walk all over these little rocks. And there's Beth loving it. In her best life. Let's zoom out a bit. Look. You okay? I used to do this thing when I used to finish a video if I had time. I used to sit it there for my outro. You know where I used to learn like videos to pick from and subscribe? I'm going to do that here. Just give me my outro bit. You want? This is your little pathway down this bit. Just a little bridge here, look. Just like straight over the bridge. We're gonna have some more stepping stones, but I think she might be able to do these ones. Got a good walk home, or back to the car. And we'll show you the next bit that comes along. Going down the side this time. Go down these great Goliath steps. You'll have to tell me at the end of these videos, instead of my normal outro thing that I have, if you'd like me to just put like a longer video like what's going to be on the end of this one. I used to do it all the time, but I would like to know feedback on what you think and any video ideas that you think we should do. Comment and let me know. It's starting to get dark here now, so we best shift our legs because we've got about 8 miles left. Now into a little bit of a bridge, like this little man-made one. A lot of wildlife around here, a lot of birds and stuff like that. Still both sides of the river, look, there's a little pathway going through it. If you'd like to see some pictures, check out the Instagram below. More steps. The bigger ones. It comes into this little bridge with this at the side of it. They're also very cool. And it just goes out into the river. I actually know what's up there. It's like a little lake, isn't it? A little pond kind of thing. Is that because you're yawning? Compile this video into a short time limit, so if you want to come here yourself, I think it's called the Rivelin Trail or something like that. It's in Sheffield. So if you want to see more than obviously just this and get your own eyes on it, Get you sent down here if you've got walking feet. Like loads of little stonework, there's a bit over there, there's like little ponds on top of them. And little bridges that go off here, there and everywhere. So, I don't know where all of them go, I don't think they go to anything spectacular. I think the best thing to do is stay on this little path, or this path that goes all the way through. Swizzles off and goes in different directions, and little bridges here and little pathways there. Don't know what you're going to see, but if you can see that, it's a ledge to what is another waterfall, but this is another man-made one. Because what they used to do here was turn steel. Stuff like the water used to spin wheels that used to turn the steel that came from the Sheffield Steelworks into like knives, forks, razor blades, wire. Yeah, there were wire running here. First workings for steel over here, I think they said, or the first kind of workings that were used as a mill was in about the late 1500s. And then since then, since like the late 1500s, it's been used all the way up to the, what, 1900s? So it's had some long work. So there's a lot of little bits of, it's part of the steelwork. This is probably part of the steelworks that you never really hear about. Everyone hears about the casting and the moulding being shut down, but this is a completely different part to it. See, there's a little bridge behind us and comes into another little lake. Little river runs down here. Pathway down to the side of the lake. Looks a bit dusty though, a bit ditched out.
Definitely drink out there.
Take a swallow.
Yeah.
And this goes all the way around. You'll see, and then drops back down to the river again. The best legs are aching now. I've made a walk a long way. A long way left to go. A long way left to go.
What?
A long way left to go.
No.
Yeah, this is a cool little spot feature. With a little cobblestone path. This is old pathways, I believe. It goes across. Got a bit of water both sides here again. Then you've got two man-made bridges here as well. two little paths. What is that? You're a Sheffield Steelers fan?
Yeah, I watched the ice hockey. Yeah, that's quite good.
So I mean, you're a Steelers fan? What, Panthers? Oh. You're meant to be from Nottingham.
Dom used to play for Sheffield. Oh, the little baby blue.
Little waterfall there. Comes down. There's an open little pathway.
Don't want to talk about it.
You're tired?
Yeah. Let's go on.
You've walked miles.
It's not like me now, I've got to carry this barrel around.
This is a barrel. You know what, I've skipped so much of this, I could probably fill an hour's worth of video. Just on a walk back. The battery won't let it for starters, and two, I've got to keep everyone interested, so I'm showing you the best bits. And you'll have to come down here and walk it yourself if you're able to. Cool little track and a nice little walk if you wanted just a day out.
Me, you're hungry. If you're hungry for a
She's moaning about flies. I think this is quite cool. It's like a little offlay. Drops down into the water. There's an old wheel up there, but I think there's one a bit further down that I can show you. One of the old mill wheels. This bit's really cool, to be fair with you. You've got your water running down there. Nice little scenic bit. You can come and be a photographer, take your photograph. Then you go onto this little pathway, which is not there. start seeing it, goes all the way up, all the way across. See if I can zoom in a bit, see if you can see it. It's all the way down there. We might find Beth falling over again, because this is where she can't walk very well for some reason. But we've got nice photos of this spot, and you've got your river at the side here, so quite a peaceful place. Well worth a walk if able. Little waterfall drop there. Walk up the path and go around, but it's steep, so we're going to walk round the pond way. Got a nice pond. Lots of little water drops. Donkey. They're very nice. Great success. But there's like a few of these little ponds just linking around here. I'm not going to film them all, but you just have to wander around it. And we just kind of stuck to the river. Best way, but there's a few little trails around here supposedly, so we might have to come back and do a few more to see what's around here. Not this one, but just in the area itself. It's meant to be full of stuff like this. What? You know they did. What do you mean? It's like a big brick. Brick. Little birds, look. Look at baby ones. Yeah, he's telling us all. Making sure that we get away from him. There's a few of these lingered around here. There's another one you can read if you want to pause it. Pause it and read it. There's a little bridge here. And you've got this dude. Got a photo sat up there. Sat on that rock there. I think I got a little snippet, but it'll probably end up going in the beginning. Might even put it in here for you to look at. It continues. Best dying to get back to the car, she's knackered. Well, we're not far away now, we have walked so many miles, it's unbelievable. This is the most fitness I've done all year. Nice little wooden bridge. Okay. We're coming towards the end of our route now. This is the final straight. Final straight. One more waterfall, I actually want to show you down bottom.
You're the one that I want. You are the one I want. Got it.
That's definitely staying in.
No. No. No.
Final stretch. There's a nice little bridge going there. And the last waterfall we're going to come to. It's the first one we came to, which is this one. Hey! Out zoomer, there we go. Down here, into a little tunnel. We had some sort of gate system or something on here. Cool story. And there's a pond over the other side, and I don't know if it carries on going or not, but I think we're done for today. I think we're done for today. Phone's nearly dead. We've been to two places today, which is the chapel with the old graveyard that we found by mistake. If you haven't seen it, I think it'll probably end up being up before this one, so we'll check it out. If not, and then it'll be next video up. I'll show you the sign to the name of the trail. Rivelin, that's it. There you go. Stop it, Google it. So yeah, if we ever come by this way again, there might be another video on it on the other side, but we don't know yet. We'll see how we feel. And if we ever come past it again. So thanks for watching, and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Why are you doing that again?
because you've got to outro the video.
Oh. See ya.